Okay, so we have a holding pump right here. It attaches to the diffusion pump. So we're going to go through and do a little PM and oil change on it. So John, where did we start off?
Well, I'd like to start out with the oil change first, Mike. We're going to pretend that the pump is still warm. Again, it's the best way to get the oil out of it while the pump is still warm.
Okay.
All right, what we'll simply do is remove the fill plug. We're going to have a drain pan handy. Something that'll hold at least 2 quarts of oil. That's the approximate quantity of oil inside this pump. Simply remove the drain plug, let the oil run out until it stops. Check the condition again, Mike, of the plug and plug gasket. Make sure everything's in good condition. Wipe clean the surface on the pump oil box where the gas is going to be applied. Reinstall the plug with the gasket. At which time, we can now add oil. Okay, we want to bring the, using the port here in the funnel, we want to bring the oil level up to this top line.
So there is a mark there.
There is a mark. You want to bring the oil level up to that. It's important to note that this pump does have an oil pump in it, so when it does start up, the oil level is going to drop. So right at when you do restart the pump, you want to monitor the oil level. If the oil level drops below halfway, Mike, I would recommend bringing the oil level up to ½ inch below the top line.